Hi all, you're watching the tutorial for London Thumakda. Let's start with the right arm sweeping all the way up, extending, and wrist turning 3 times, head shaking. Sit and up and twirl, twirl, twirl. Reverse the side, sit, left hand up, twirl, twirl, twirl. Good job. Next step, we're going to bounce side to side like a skating move. We're going to take a small jump, bring our feet together after we jump to the side and bounce our knees. We're going to clap and drop those hands to the floor 4 times along with that bounce. Next, we're going to take that arm and take it to the side with the help of our other arm, holding it at the elbow 4 times. Make a nice line, fingers sticking out. Make a nice straight line in front of your face. Next, we're going to take that right foot and hit it on the floor 4 times. Shoulders are going to go side to side. Arms are going to follow the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now you're going to bounce it all the way to the side, 4 counts. Arms are going to sweep into that semicircle. You're going to flatten that right foot and use your left toe to bounce all the way to the left. Same step on the other side with your left leg leading. Bounce it all the way to the right. Make sure arms are all the way extended. Next step, you're going to give me an aeroplane move, diagonal arms leaning to the right. That bounce, jump side to side. So 2 airplane arms diagonally, alternate side. Next, you're going to jump out on your heel. Elbows folded, arms folded on top of each other. 4 count, heel jump. Heels side to side, 4 counts. And airplane bounce with diagonal arms side to side. 2 of these sets back to back. Next, we're going to sway from side to side, hips moving, arms on the side making a curve. Make it graceful and elegant. Next, we are going to make a huge circle with our left hand and stop by our face. Hold that hand by the face. Step left and drag that right foot close together. Left and drag. The right arm is just loosely by your side. Sway 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, drag. Good job. Next, we're going to take that right foot and we're going to bring it forward and backward. Arms are going to close and open. Hold your elbows up while you do the close and open. Leaning forward and backward when you do forward and backward when you bring your foot forward and backward alternatively. That is 4 count one more time. Now let's take that right foot and then a left stomp and then jump in the center. Point the right hand, point the left hand and jump. Hold it to your waist. Next, you're going to make a hang loose sign, sticking out your thumb and your pinkies out, and tap twice on the right from the right side of the shoulder. With football feet, make a circle with your hand. Football feet takes you all the way around. Tap, tap, football feet all the way around and come back with a center jump. Clap your hands to the heart center. Next, place that right hand on the head, left hand on your left hip. Tap twice with the left foot sticking out. Jump, drag, tap twice. Give me 3 of these steps, starting with the tap, tap. Tap, tap, jump, tap, tap, jump, tap, tap, jump, tap, tap. Good job. Now let's take that left foot forward and hang loose sign. 2 steps. Football feet. This time turn from the left shoulder. 8 count football feet. Jump to the center. Now reverse the move. Left hand on the head, right hand on the hip. Tap, tap, jump, tap, tap, jump, tap, tap, jump. That's 3 jumps and you're all set.
Tu hogi bantu tu, priye bantu tu.